everybody. Today we are making, it's soup season, so I gotta start making soup. I've got 3 chicken breasts in here. To that we're adding, this is 1 yellow bell pepper and these are 2 red bell peppers. Not cutting them into small pieces, just into like little strips, like that. And this is 1 medium onion that I've also diced, but like in bigger chunks. Because this is a soup, you wanna kinda have it chunky and hearty. You don't wanna have small dice in here at all. I'm gonna follow up that with a can of sweet kernel corn that I've drained and rinsed. Some diced tomatoes. You can use whole crushed or whatever. I like using the diced. Got a can of black beans that I've also rinsed and drained. And this is a can of, it's like Rotel. It's like diced tomatoes with mild chilies. A little bit of chopped garlic. You can measure that with your heart. I'm just gonna add a healthy scoop right there. Garlic is amazing always in soup. I'm gonna follow that up with a can of tomato paste. Gonna make it even tomato-ear. Don't know if that's even a word. And this is our star of our show. This is the Kinder taco seasoning, which I think I've tried it before. Is smokier than the others that I've tried. So I kind of want a smoky soup today. So I'm choosing this brand. You can use whatever brand you like. And this is a 32-ounce container of chicken broth. We're going to use the entire amount in here. This is such an easy soup, guys. Perfect for the season and also perfect for Taco Tuesday. Then all we have to do is come down here. We're going to set this on high for 4 hours. Oh my goodness. Doesn't it look amazing? It smells so good. I'm gonna go in and shred those 3 chicken breasts, but look. They're slow cooked in all that broth, so it's gonna shred so easy. Once all this chicken is shredded, oh, look at that. It's gonna be such a hearty soup, guys. Go ahead and give this a quick stir, make sure all the veggies are combined. Everybody gets a little bit of everything in each bowl. I've got these toppings. I've got some lime pieces, some cilantro, and some avocado. I've also got a little bit of sour cream. Got these little lime tortilla chips. I like them better than the regular ones. It's better just crush them up. Mix that in. Give this a good stir. The best chicken tortilla soup, guys, is so good. Just all mixed together. And those tortilla chips are gonna soften up a little bit. Such a hearty soup. You could always add more broth if you want a soupier one. But I like a good, hearty tortilla soup. Some extra tortilla chips in there. Gonna go down here, get some of that sour cream. A little bit of cilantro. A lime wedge. Then just a little bit of avocado right on top, like that. Doesn't it look good? Such a super hearty, filling start to soup season. Gotta try this. Taco Tuesday, soup season. Gotta start with this. So good, y'all.